When you start a business, there is a laundry list of potential taxes that you could be responsible for paying and reporting. Knowing all of these types of taxes and determining whether they apply to your specific business is key. In the upcoming 6-part series, we'll dig into each of those types of taxes. But today, we're just going to get your toes wet on each of them. First, we've got payroll taxes. When you employ people, you pay them a W-2 and you are responsible for paying half of their Social Security and Medicare taxes in addition to a few other types of payroll. You are also required to collect your employees' half of those Social Security and Medicare taxes. Next, we'll talk about sales and use tax. Sales tax is assessed to your customers when they buy products from you, and you are responsible for collecting those taxes from your customers and remitting it to your taxing agencies. Use tax is a type of sales tax, but what it is it's a tax charged to you when you consume the products or goods that you purchased tax exempt. Next, we've got personal property and real estate taxes. Tangible personal property tax is a tax assessed on property that can be moved or touched, such as machinery, equipment, and furniture within your business. The real estate tax is your tax paid on real estate property that you own. Think commercial buildings or rental properties. Next, we've got our franchise and excise tax. Note that these two taxes really aren't related to one another at all, but they're always lumped together when you talk about taxes, so I figured I'd lump them together in this series as well. So your franchise tax is a tax imposed by the state that you're doing business in that gives you permission to conduct business in that state. Excise taxes are federal, state, and even local taxes that are assessed for dealing with certain goods and products. Think gasoline, airline tickets, alcohol, and tobacco. Next, we've got income taxes. This is the tax you think of when people say the word taxes. So it's the tax that you pay on all the income you bring in, whether it's from your business or from other places. And it's the tax that you pay to either the federal government or your state if you have state income tax. When you talk about estimated quarterly taxes, it's usually income tax that you're talking about. When we talk about quarterly estimated taxes, typically we are talking about income taxes. And finally, we'll talk about self-employment taxes. Self-employment taxes are basically a replacement for the payroll taxes that W-2 employees and employers pay. It's the FICA, Social Security, Medicare taxes that are assessed on your self-employment income. If you guys have any questions about what we talked about today, go ahead and leave a comment below. And then I highly suggest you head on over to our Facebook community, Money, Taxes, and Finance for Small Business, because these topics are what we talk about on a regular basis and have live trainings on every week. You can access that group by clicking the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and while you're loving on me hard, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video.